Most people get confused when they hear about the Albert app. They assume it is some kind of free money generator or instant cash reward system. But here's the truth no one tells you. Albert does not just give you money. It gives you access to cash advances, savings tools, and financial insights based on your income and spending behavior. In this video, you will learn exactly how much money Albert can give you in 2026, how cash advances actually work, what affects your limit, and whether the app is worth using or not. Let's break it down simply. Albert is a financial app that helps you manage money, track spending, and in some cases, get a small cash advance. But here's where most people get it wrong. They expect a fixed amount like a loan or payday payout. That is not how it works. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Albert's cash advance system is dynamic. That means the amount you can get depends on your income, spending habits, and account activity. In 2026, most users report cash advances ranging anywhere from around $25 to up to $250 initially. Some users with stable income and strong account history may qualify for higher amounts over time, but there is no guaranteed fixed limit. Let's say someone like Jake earns a steady paycheck and connects his bank account. Albert analyzes his cash flow. If it sees predictable income and low risk, it may offer him a higher advance limit over time. But if someone has irregular income or unstable spending patterns, the amount stays lower. But here's the problem. Many users expect instant high limits right after downloading the app. That is not realistic. Albert builds trust slowly by monitoring financial behavior. Now let's talk about how you actually get the money. Albert's cash advance feature usually allows you to request money directly through the app. Once approved, the money is sent to your bank account. In some cases, it can arrive within a few hours, or by the next business day depending on your bank. But here's where most people fail. They do not realize that cash advances are not free money. They are short-term advances that are typically repaid automatically when your next paycheck arrives. So if Alex gets a $100 advance, Albert will usually withdraw that amount back when his direct deposit hits. There is no interest in many cases, but there may be optional fees for faster access or premium features depending on your plan. Now, let's talk about what really affects how much Albert gives you. First is income consistency. The more stable your paycheck, the better your chances of a higher advance. Second is account activity. If Albert can see regular spending and predictable deposits, it trusts you more. Third is banking history. Longer linked account history usually improves your limit over time. Now here's something important. Albert also offers a subscription plan called Genius, which gives you access to financial advice and automated savings features. This does not directly increase your cash advance limit, but it improves your overall financial profile inside the app. So let's answer the big question directly. How much does Albert give you in 2026? For most new users, expect around $25 to $100 initially. For active users with stable income, it can grow to $150 to $250, or slightly more over time. But there is no fixed guarantee, and it is not designed to replace a paycheck. Here is the simple way to think about it. Albert is not a lender giving large loans. It is a financial buffer tool meant to help you handle short-term gaps between paychecks. To wrap it up, Albert can be useful if you understand what it actually does. It offers small cash advances based on your financial behavior, not fixed payouts. The better your financial stability, the more useful it becomes. If this helped you understand how Albert really works in 2026, like the video, comment with your experience, and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of finance apps that actually make sense.